Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing about 6th class mathematics revision assignment. First question is 9002 divisible by 11? So options, first option S, second option no, third option can't say, fourth option both 1 and 2. So is 9002 is divisible by 11. So first of all, before we are discussing to this question, what is the divisibility rule of 11? So divisibility rule of 11 is nothing but even places and odd places, difference of even places and odd places. Okay. Now the number is 9002. This is the original number. Now we have to identify the places of this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 places. In these 5 places we need to separate even places and odd places. Now first of all I am taking even places. What is the even places here? 2 and 4 is the even places. Both are zeros. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now odd places. Odd equal to, what is the odd places? 9, 0, 2. 9 plus 0 plus 2, which is equal to 11. Now subtract highest value to least value. That means 11 minus 0, which is equal to 11. So 9002 is divisible by 11. Exactly. Yes, it is divisible by 11. Now second question. In the divisibility rule of 11, the difference of sum of the digits at even places and odd places be either 0 or multiple of. So options A 5, option B 6, option C 11, option D 10. Second question, if the divisibility rule of 11, the difference of sum of the digits at even places and odd places be either 0 or multiple of 11. Either 0 or multiple of 11. So option is C. Now third question. The sum of the digits at odd places of 6, 5, 3, 5 is. So option A 10, option B 9, option C 8, option D 11. So third question, the sum of the digits at odd places. So here given 6535 is the given number. 6535 is the given number. So in this, now I am separating places. 1, 2, 3, 4. What they are asking? Odd places they are asking. Odd places. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So odd places is 1 and 3. Okay. Now 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 means 9. So here B is the correct answer. Now fourth question. The sum of the digits at even places of 544 5 is. So option A 9, option B 30, option C 10, option D 8. So here sum of the digits at even places. So what is the question mark? Given number 5445. This is the given number. So in this given number, we should take only even places. We should take which places? Even places. So I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. In this identification 1, 2, 3, what is the even places? 2 and 4 is the even places. Now verify. 4 plus 5, which is equal to 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. 9 is the answer. So option A is the correct answer. Now fifth question. The number divisible by 11 is. So option A 1221, option B 1222, option C 1223, option D 1224. So here given 4 options. In these 4 options, which number is divisible by 11? So what is the condition of 11? First of all, you need to separate the places, even places and odd places, and then highest value to least value. If you subtract means that number is divisible by 11 means, so the complete number also divisible by 11. Now verify each and every option. So here first option 1, 2, 2, 1. Now take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in this you need to take even places and odd places. So even places means 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Odd places means 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So now separate means subtract. 3 minus 3 means 0. So 0 is divisible by 11 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 11. So option A is the correct answer. Now solve the following. Solve the following. What is the sixth question? Write the divisibility rule of 11. So what is the divisible by rule 11? So the divisible by rule 11 means the given number, it should be difference of the sum of the even places and odd places. So difference of sum of the digits, sum of the digits at even places and odd places. Okay, so this is the definition of divisibility rule of 11. Difference of sum of the digits at even places and odd places be either 0 or multiple. Now next question. Now seventh question is 80927 divisible by 11. So here given the verification. So this number whether it is divisible by 11 or not. Okay. Now take 80927. Now take places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In these places you need to separate even places and odd places. Now I am taking even places. What is even places? 0 and 2. So add 0 plus 2. Now take odd places. What is the odd places? Here, tick mark. 8, 9, 7. 8 plus 9 plus 7. So 8 plus 9 is nothing but how much? 17. 17 plus 7. 17 plus 7. 24. Now subtract highest value to least value, that is 24 minus 2, 22. So here 22 is divisible by 11 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 2 means 11 2s are 22. So this 22 is divisible by 11 means, so the complete number also divisible by 11. Now 8th question. Now 8th question. So what is 8th question? Write the nearest number of 1, 2, 3, 4 which is divisible by 11. So what they are asking? Write the nearest number of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the nearest numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1. And so on like this. Now in this nearest values, which number is divisible by 11 or not? Now I am taking 1, 2, 3. Now here also you should take even places and odd places. So even places means 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. Odd places means 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. Now subtract highest value to least value, 5 minus 4 which is equal to 1. So 1 is divisible by 11 or not? It is not divisible by 11. So this number is not divisible by 11. Now move to next number. 1, 2, 3. So again the same procedure followed by this number also. Even places. Which is even? 2 plus 2, 4. Odd places means 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 4 means 0. 0 is divisible by 11 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 11. So 1, 2, 3, 2 is nearest to 1, 2, 3, 4. It is divisible by 11. Now next number. Next question. So write a number between 2000 and 2010 that is divisible by 11. Now verify. So here given 2000 to 2010. So now I am writing 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, Finally 2010. Now among these numbers, which number is divisible by 11? Okay, which number is divisible by 11? Now verify. 2000. Okay, so 2000. Again, same procedure. Even places. What is even places? 0 plus 0. Odd places 2 plus 0, which is equal to 0 and 2. So it should be 0. 2 minus 0 means 2. 2 is divisible by 11. Wrong. So this number is not divisible by 11. Now 2001. So same procedure followed by 2001 also. Even places. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. Odd places means 2 plus 0 is nothing but 2. Okay. Now addition to list. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. 1 is divisible by 11. Wrong. It is not divisible by 11. So 2001 also wrong also. Now 2002. So like this, you need to verify each and every number whenever you get the answer. So 2002 means even places. What is even places? 0 plus 2. Odd places 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2 and 2. Now subtract 2 minus 2 means 0. 0 is divisible by 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. So 2002 is a number in between 2000 and 2010 is divisible by 11. Now last question. That means 10th question. Now 10th question. What is 10th question? In the given list of numbers, which of the numbers are divisible by 11? That means 1000, 1001, 2000, 2002. So here in this 10th question, they are given some list of numbers. So in this list of numbers, you need to identify which number is divisible by 11. Now I am verifying. So individual numbers. So 1000. So even places. What is even places? 0 plus 0. Odd places 1 plus 0. Here nothing but 0 and 1. Now subtract 1 minus 0 means 1. 1 is divisible by 11. Wrong. It is not divisible by 11. So 1000 is not exist. It is not divisible by 11. Now 1001. Even places means 0 plus 1. Odd places means 1 plus 0. Now 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 is divisible by 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. Now move to 2000. So same. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 0, 2 plus 0, which is equal to here 0, here 2. 2 minus 0 means 2. 2 is divisible by 11. Wrong. It is not divisible by 11. So this is also wrong. Not 2002. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 0. So 2, 2. 2 minus 2 means 0. So 0 is divisible by 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. So 2002 and 1001, both the numbers are divisible by 11 by the given list of numbers. Division assignment is completed. Thank you.